Guys, trust everyone is well and trust everyone took advantage of the dip that happened yesterday, especially with GMT that went down about 32%. Now that was a massive dip and a good opportunity to buy in. So if you got in around 79.80 to 3 cents, that means you should be up a good massive deal. Yeah, so you can see the upside has already commenced. Now, but what I want to show you is a technique I use for my further confirmations before entering or exiting a trade. Now, I showed you what I use the MACD for. When the DEM and the DIF cross, then it indicates when the DEM goes under, indicates change of trend. The trend goes upwards, but when the DIF goes under, it means it's a downtrend that's about to begin. But if you look closely, you see that the RSI 5 and the RSI 14 here also change positions when a trend changes. All right, you can see that the RSI 14 goes to the bottom where it should be during an uptrend. All right, and so it just crosses to the bottom while the RSI 5 is at the top when the trend changes. And this cross happens, it usually happens before the MACD cross happens. So if you're waiting for the moving averages to show you what to do, you're a tiny little bit, like a couple of hours late, or maybe just about an hour late, because the RSI will show you first before the MACD shows you. However, it's important that you're looking at your confirmations using different indicators before you take your decision. Let's go to another point here. It doesn't matter what direction the market is going in. The RSI 5 and 14, this combination I use, always indicates before the MACD does. So you can see the cross happens here also. The 5 goes down, indicating that there's a downtrend here, and then it quickly returns back even before the MACD does the same. Now we can see here also the same thing happens. The RSI is earlier than the MACD. Just take a look at it here again. The RSI crosses before the MACD crosses. Okay, just wanted to point that out. So again, my RSI setup here is RSI 5 and RSI 14. Okay, those are the two values I use as RSI to help me make my trading decisions. And of course, you're using indicators in conjunction with other indicators, not in isolation. Okay, make sure you have confirmations from different indicators and don't just use only one. All right, it's very important that you take note of that.